Kaunti ma Migori, obila e boma ma Kajiado dhi nyime gi apedhani kuom mag chumbe sitima koda mago mitiyogo e kunyo pi mitimo gi jo hand sikrep. Komanda mar obila ma Kajiado Timothy Maina wacho ni giseyudo ywak mathoth kowuok kuom jodak e wi kuo ma kamano mawachore ni osejimbore e kar dak ma kamano. Kaluwore gi komandano, apedha mar temo ndhiyo achijego biro dhi nyime nyaka timbego rum e gwengego.
Tulifanya operation ya kusafisha mji ya Kajiado Central Township na zile maeneo ziko karibu, na tumemanage kupata wale ambao hawajapewa stakabadhi kamili za kutoka kwa Scrap Metal Dealers Council, na hiyo operation itaendelea kwa wakati wa muda wa mwezi moja ili tuweze kupunguza wizi wa vyuma kutoka kwa manyumba ya wananchi.
We are here to ensure that our members are not targeted wrongly, because we believe members in Kajiado Association, majority of them have their Scrap Metal Association licenses, but we believe there is a cartel that is operating without the licenses, and that is making that our members to be seen as if they are the one operating illegally.